Let's dive into one of the most widely accepted theories that a massive asteroid striking Earth wiped out the dinosaurs. But here's a question: why did mammals survive when dinosaurs didn't? One idea is that mammals, though not as prominent as dinosaurs, had adapted in unique ways. They had diversified into many species, which could have played a role in their survival. Some researchers suggest that their smaller size required fewer resources, which helped them endure tough conditions, even before the asteroid struck. Being small and constantly hiding from dinosaurs might have prepped them to survive in harsh environments. But what if that asteroid had never hit? Imagine an Earth where the environment stayed ideal for dinosaurs. Our planet's fauna might look entirely different today. Take the enormous titanosaur, for instance, one of the largest land animals to have ever existed. Some of these giants reached lengths equivalent to 7 standard cars in a row, with a diet mostly of tall vegetation. They dominated the landscape, leaving less food available for smaller animals, like the tiny jerboa, which was about the size of a popsicle stick. Now, let's entertain a wild scenario. What if we could transport modern mammals back to the dinosaur era? Some scientists argue that today's mammals might adapt and survive, thanks to evolved diets and skills. But others say they would have no chance, too small and outclassed by dinosaurs in almost every way. An adult T Rex, about the size of a bus, wouldn't bother hunting something human sized. It would focus on prey the size of a car or bigger. Like an elephant, sure, a T Rex might snack on something smaller if it was starving, but they usually sought bigger meals. Now, if we had to choose some of today's animals to send back in time to try their luck, certain mammals might stand a chance. Primates like chimpanzees, for example, build their nests high up in trees, which might keep them safe from ground-dwelling predators. Dinosaurs weren't known to fly, although some flying reptiles like pterosaurs didn't soar through the skies. Imagine a chimp being swooped by one of these giant flying creatures. It's possible they might have been a threat. Then we have hyenas, known for their adaptability. Spotted hyenas aren't Africa's most common large carnivore. They are not picky eaters and will consume almost any part of their prey. They also travel in groups, and their sturdy digestive systems allow them to handle tough diets. Hyenas, however, have their own limitations. They are not well suited to forested areas, and in some regions they have struggled to coexist with humans and wolves. Orcas are another intriguing option, known as the wolves of the sea. These intelligent animals hunt in groups, using organized strategies to catch prey. They might struggle in the dinosaur era due to the higher global temperatures back then, as orcas prefer cooler waters. While orcas are fierce and intelligent, the warm waters of the Mesozoic era would have presented a major challenge for them. Ostriches might be the closest living relative to dinosaurs today. With their powerful legs and agility, they resemble their long-lost ancestors, Struthiomimus, a dinosaur that also relied on speed to survive. However, they might struggle with the plant life of that era, as conifers, then dominant on land, might not have suited an ostrich's diet. We can't ignore the big cats either. Felinus could have thrived in certain dinosaur environments thanks to their stealth and sharp senses. Lions, for instance, might have worked together to hunt mid-sized dinosaurs. Leopards, skilled climbers, could have found safety in trees, eating away from land-based predators. Still, The hotter temperatures could have been an obstacle for these modern day predators. One fascinating animal that might actually fare well in the age of dinosaurs is the platypus. As an egg-laying mammal with a range of reptilian traits, it seems like a relic of prehistoric times. Platypuses have a unique hunting skill, using their sensitive beaks to detect shrimp and worms underwater. Their adaptations for freshwater habitats and nocturnal habits might have kept them safe from larger predators. Interestingly, some creatures from dinosaur era still exist today, though not many animals. Snakes, cockroaches, and certain types of sharks managed to survive those ancient times. Horseshoe crabs, often called living fossils, have changed very little over hundreds of millions of years, thanks to their hardly immune system and slow evolution. And that's a wrap for today. If you enjoyed this journey into the past, make sure to like this video and share it with friends. And for more mind-bending explorations, click on this video to keep the adventure going.